Hello, Kitu. How are you? Welcome back. How are you? Hi, Harich, Nitra, Anna, Baibang, and Ten. Hi. Hello again. Okay, we are now in our what? We are now in our what subject? Science. Hello, Shane. Okay, welcome back. Welcome to our science. Okay. So we have Harriet, Anna, Baibang, Ten, Nisha, and Shane. Okay, are you ready for our science? Are you ready?
Yeah, boo.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, boo.
Okay, very good. Again, are you ready?
Yeah,
Hip, hip,
play.
hip, hip.
Play.
Okay, Shane, Ten, and Baibang. Look at here. Anna, look at here. Okay, are you ready? Yeah.
Yeah, boo.
Okay, do it like that. Look, okay, make your hand okay. Yeah, boom. Okay, again. Are you ready?
Boom, 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 boom,
Yeah.
boom.
Oh, it's boom, boom, boom. Okay, hip, hip,
Play.
hooray. Hip, hip,
Play.
hooray. Okay, this one will help us active our mind, okay? Okay, have you wake up already? Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready, K2? Boom. Hip, hip, hooray. Hip, hip, hooray. Okay, very good. So I think you are very ready now. Now let's start. I prepared this one for you. Okay, just a minute. Look at this one. Okay. Now look at this one. Okay, things I'm going to do next summer. You have your plan already for your summer? You know already what you're going or where you are going to go? We're going to
Summer.
Okay, look at this one. I prepared this one. Just a minute. Okay, thank you. Next summer. Okay, so let us now prepare and let us now to check what you are going to do next summer. Okay.
ไปไหนลูก
See, we have here Pat. Hello, Pat.
Go to the
Okay, welcome back, Pat. Okay, you have to answer this one, okay? I prepared this one and look at this. Click on the right picture. Okay, we have to check here. I'm going to go on holiday. Look at the picture. Which picture here that says, I'm going to go on holiday? Okay, which picture here that describe the word says, I'm going to go on holiday? Is this one? Is this picture shows that I'm going to go on holiday? Or this one? Or this one? Or this one? You have to look at the picture and to answer it. Is this one? I'm going to go on holiday. You will go on holiday. Which picture here? This one? No. Is this the one?
No.
No. I'm going to holiday. I'm going to go on holiday. Which picture? I think this one, right? This one? Yes or no? Yes, this one. I'm going to go on holiday. This one, this picture. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next. I will let you read, okay? I will let you read. Okay, look at this one. Okay, it says here.
ปักนี่ไงทะเลใช่ไหม
A minute.
Where is go เล่นน้ำ
go เล่นน้
holiday
I'm going to.
tourist ไปด้วย
Okay, just a minute.
tourism
ำหรือว่าอันนี้
I am going to tourist.
I'm going to tourism. So where is the picture here? Where is the picture here? Is the number 4 is picture number 4.
Oh.
One is
Football.
okay. Not, I think that this is not the one. So this one, picture number 4. I'm going to tourism. This one is mistake. This one is wrong. Of course, this one is the answer, right? This one is the answer. I am going to.
tourism this one
อันนี้ป้อง
Just a minute. Hold on.
เบา
to tourism
Okay.
มีกระเป๋าด้วย
Now let's go to the next picture. Okay. Look at this one.
going to drink refreshment
I am going to
อันนี้
Okay, can you read it? Can you read it for me? I'm going to drink refreshment.
number 3
Number?
ตรงนี้ใช่ไหมมา
Number 3. I am going to drink refreshment.
เด่น
ตอบ
Number 3.
number อะไร
number 3
number 3
Number 3. So we have this one. What picture number 1? Number 2.
number 3
Yes, picture number 3.
number 3
Very good. Okay, very good, Harriet. So let's go to the next. Okay, let's go to the next picture. Okay, look at this one. Can you read this one for me?
I am going
อันนี้
I'm
ไป
going
สวิม
dive into a
swimming
พัดเนี่ย
number
2
อะไรได้ลงมาดูลูก
number
2
okay. Can you say, can you open your mouth? I'm look at the words here. I'm going to dive into a swimming pool. Okay, I'm going to dive into swimming pool. So the picture here, what number? Number 2. The picture number 2 is describing the sentence. Okay. Picture number 2 is describing the sentence. And let's go to this one. I'm going to snorkel. Okay. This one. Where's this? Where's the word? Describe it. One. Is it number 2? Or number 3? Okay, number 3. Now let's go to this one. Okay, can you read this for me?
going to
Okay, I'm going to play with a beach ball. Beach number?
นับอะไร
number 2
number
Okay. Number 1. It shows here picture number 1. Picture number 1 shows what is talking in the sentence. I'm going to play with a beach ball. This one is the beach ball, right? Okay, so the answer is this one, right? Okay, now look at here. I want you now to open your mouth and you have to read. You have to read the sentence. I'm going to eat ice cream. Okay, Shane, can you read this for me? Can you read this for me, Shane?
number 2
Shane, can you read this?
Number 2.
I'm going to ice cream. I'm going to eat ice cream. Okay, Pat. Pat, look at here, Pat. Can you read this one for me, Pat?
มีครูให้อ่านตามครูอ่านตามครู
I'm going to
Eat ice cream.
Okay, very good. I'm going to eat ice cream. And Nicha, can you read this one? Nicha, Nicha, I cannot hear you, Nicha. Okay, you unmute. Okay, do it again, Nicha. I'm
Eat ice cream.
Yes, very good. And how about 10? 10, can you read this one for me, 10? Okay. I'm going
to eat the
ice cream. I'm going to eat ice creams. And how about Anna? Anna, look at here, Anna. Anna, look at here. Can you read this one for me, Anna? Anna, Anna. Okay, come on, Anna. Open your mouth, Anna. I'm going to eat Okay, I'm going to eat ice cream. Who else in there? Harris, can you read this one for me? I'm going
is ice cream.
Eat ice cream. Very good. I'm going to eat ice cream. Okay? You need to practice now. Start reading. Okay, where's the picture here that describes the sentence, the words? Where's the picture here? The one? This is the one? I'm going to eat the ice cream.
Watermelon.
No, this one is, he's eating watermelon. And how about this?
Steam it all.
Is this the one? Yes? Okay, yes. This is the correct answer, okay? This is the correct answer. Okay, I'm going to make sand castle. Is this one? Okay, I will not give you yet the answer. Okay. I'm going to make sand castle. So, number 3. Okay. Again, I'm going. All of you open your mouth. I'm going to make sand castle. So you have to practice speaking, opening your mouth. Speak English, okay? Speak English. So the answer here is number 3. Number 3. Yes, the answer is number 3. Okay, look at this one. I'm going, look at this one. Can you see the picture here? I'm going to have fun. I'm going to have fun. Okay, which picture here is having fun the most?
นี่ไง tree.
This one? Number 3? Okay, number 3 is the correct answer. So he's having fun. Okay, he's enjoying his time. And now let's go to the next picture. I'm going to play beach volley. Okay, where's this one? Okay, this one. Okay,
Number 2.
number 3. Number 2. I'm going to play beach volley.
Number 2.
Okay, this one is the answer. The answer is number 2. Okay, very good. So I'm going to relax. I'm going to relax. You know what is relax? Yes.
Wow.
Number 1. Okay, can you say this word? I'm going. All of you open your mouth. Okay? I'm going to relax. I'm
going.
Okay, I'm going to relax. Okay, I'm going to relax. Okay. I know. Look at this one. The answer here is number 1, right? Okay, the answer is number 1. Now let's go to the next picture. I'm going to
swim.
swim.
Swimอันไหน swim ลูก
I'm going to swim.
โอ้อันไหน
Okay, which picture here? Number 4. Swim. Okay. Okay, I'm going to swim. Can you say it? I want to hear from you. I'm going to swim. I'm going to swim. Okay, I'm going to swim. Okay, so the picture is the picture here shows this, the picture number 4. Okay, you are very good. Sandbath. I'm going to sandbath. Okay, where's the picture here that do sandbath? Sandbath. I'm going to sandbath. Is this one? Uh-oh.
Number 2.
Uh-oh. Is this one? Uh-oh, no, the picture, yes, picture number 4. Okay, he's going to do the sandbath. Okay, sandbathing. I'm going to sandbath. Sandbath. Okay. Now the answer is picture number 4. Okay, I'm going to camping. When you go to camping, what will be your picture? What will be your picture if you will go to camping? Camping. Is this one? Number 2. This one shows that he is going or she is going to camping. Okay, the picture answer is number 2. Picture number 2. Okay, now let's go to this one. I'm going to surfing. Surfing. Surfing.
number 1
Number 1 or number 2? The answer is number 1. Have you seen this one? This is the skateboard. He will go to surfing. Okay. I'm going to go surfing. Okay, surfing. Okay, now let's go to guess what are they going to do? What are they going to do? Are they going to? Can you tell me the answer here? Are they going to? Where? Going on holiday. They are going to holiday. Okay? This picture shows that they are going to go on holiday. And now let's go to this one. She is going to what? She's going to eat ice cream. Eat ice cream, right? Okay. And now let's go to this one. He is going to, the answer here is, he is going to
Bring refreshment.
yes, drink refreshments.
อย่าท
Okay. Now let's go to
Choice.
this one. This picture. Have you remember this one? He is going to relax. Yes, he is going to relax. Okay? Okay. He's going to relax. And this one, he is going to, okay, make a little bit fast. To tourism. This one, tourism. Okay? And then this one, he is going to go camping. Yes, very good. To camping. And this one, he is going to dive into swimming pool. Dive into swimming pool. And this one, he is going to swim. He is going to swim. And this one, he is going to go surfing. Yes, go surfing. And this one, he is going to go snorkeling. Okay? Snorkeling. And then this one is going, he is going to make a sand castles. Okay? He is going to make sand castles. Now let's go to this one. Can you tell me this picture? He is going to play with beach ball. Okay, play with beach ball. Okay, and this picture, she is going to play beach volleyball. Play beach volleyball. Okay. And he is going to this one, to sunbath at the beach. Sunbath at the beach. Okay. Okay. Now, and this one is, he is going to have fun. He is going to have fun. Okay. So you understand? You know already what you are going to go to do next summer. Okay. So I will give you a worksheet for this one next week. But for now, I will not give you, for this period, I will not give you anything to do, okay? You have just to, I want to say thank you that you cooperate our topics and you answer very well. And you are so smart, K2, okay? You are very good. All of you are very good. So I want to say thank you to all of you and study hard, okay? I will not give you anything to this topic. Only next week I will give you a worksheet because I want you to enjoy your weekend. Tomorrow is weekend and you have to enjoy and take care. Okay, Q2? Okay, I want to say thank you to all of you for now. Say thank you to all of you. Harriet, Anna, Baibang, Shane, Micha, and Pat. Thank you so much. And bye-bye for now. Enjoy your weekend. Heart sign. Heart sign. I want to do a heart sign. Okay, very good. Okay, I love you, Kito. Bye. Enjoy your weekend. Bye. I love you.